Yo, what is going, guys? It's your boy Normal Sponge here, also known as man. So today we'll be playing the Geometry Dash. I've been playing this for a while and I've gotten pretty bad at it, but let's just try. We're gonna make, later in the video, we'll be trying to make our own, so yeah, stick around to the end. And don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you can. If this video can hit, let's see, 5 likes, I know that sounds so little, then I will do another video, so yeah. Anyway, let's just get to this. So many, alright, let's go hardcore. Here, I'll try this one. We're probably gonna fail on the first attempt. See, we did. Oh wait, I'm jumping too early. Oh my gosh, how do you play this? Oh, I see. Oh gosh. Okay, yeah, that's really confusing. Should we go ahead and wait? Let's change. Oh, what the? Ooh. Oh no. Okay. Let's see. Do I want it? Alright, so I want it. Its size pink. Oh no. Let's see which one. Oh, I like this. Let's do green. Pink. That's good. Okay, so first off, let's create a world. Let's see what should we put. I'm typing slow because I have to use caps. Here, I'm not even gonna just use caps for the first one. The normal as can be horse, I guess. Okay, no, I messed it up. Horse. I'll go ahead and I'll pause this. Okay, so I've got it down, and so let's just go ahead and create. So first off, what should we do? Set off this, so let's start at the beginning. Let's go down. Alright, so we start right here. Okay. What shall we put? To start it off, I think we'll go with this and this, so you like just go up. It's just like a straight away go up thing. And then let's do this. And you're gonna drop down. Oh no, just type delete, build, bang. See all that, and then have a little triangle thing right there. Bang. So I have a no, that's way too hard. I wouldn't be able to do that. I think anybody else would. I'm sorry I haven't been making any like Roblox videos. It's just I don't have anything to record it with, and my throat hurts so bad right now. Like, oh my god, that hurts. Anyway, we're gonna put something right there. There's just a continuous little thing. Let's do this. I think it's an invisible one, so invisible. Oh my gosh. And then this one right here. Then I have this and this. that in front of it. So. Actually, no, you know the goal. If I... What's that? Okay. See, we got one on both sides. So we're going to go ahead and try it out. Let's go ahead and front jump. Oh gosh, you got to jump like straight away. Wow, that's good. It's not hard, but you just got to jump at the right time. Why am I going so fast? Okay, no, that's impossible. It's gotta be impossible. Because when you go right down, you can't have this there. Okay, that was the wrong place, wasn't it? You're not going to be able to have those there. Okay, I forgot. There we go. Oh, that was invisible. I like the invisible ones. Do you? What's that on? Get out of here. Alright. The next one. Let's put a triangle and this one. Also, moving on a little bit. I forgot about that. I'll put this right here with a straight. Yeah. So you jump up on that. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Would that work? I honestly don't know. You just hope you get down. Yeah, that's a good idea. And then what you're gonna have inside of it. Bing. Make it a little challenge right here. Little ching. Let's do this. It's good because then you can just jump on it. And what should we have? We're gonna go up. What is there now? Oh no, there's nothing. I just wanted to try that. Anyway, let's keep on going. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Actually, if we get, no, I'm not gonna, if we get 5 likes, I'm gonna try not to laugh, so yeah. Turn on post notifications, and yeah. If you still even watch my videos. Honestly, I don't know why you would, but just like making videos. Anyway, let's keep on going. Yeah, let's have this. You guys should look at that. Look at the triangle of death. Thing. So you gotta get all those triangles, and then you have this. Bang. And then, okay, yeah. I know I'm using a lot of these, but I like these. Some of them might go pretty high. So then you're gonna shoot right off into, hopefully, get down here. It's just, no, that's way up here. Okay, so that's gonna get starting right here. Alright, so that's good. Go out of this. And that's gonna be pretty hard, so we're gonna test that. Okay, let's see if we can get it first try. You have to put a thumbs up if I get it first try. Oh no. Oh no. Wait, could that even be possible at that one point? Come on. Let's see if that even possible. No, it's not. There's no way. You're falling right on it. Let's go over there. I think it's right. And the triangle of death, so we have to get rid of that. Then oh no, if you all want to go try this level out, y'all can. If you still watch my videos. If you're like a new subscriber, then yay for you. Okay, we're doing good. Yes, okay, so and everyone, I made it. All the way over here. Alright, so what should we do? Yeah, I like these. I'm gonna use those things where it lets you fly. So somewhere in here. Pulse. Pick up, touch, follow player collision, on death, disable, show. Big effect on, hide, blah 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 blah. Okay, so yes, this block. Actually, I have no idea what it's gonna do. So here, one second. So I just need to check this out. And that was terrible. What was that? I'm also sick. This is probably why my voice sounds like this. I've been sick all week, so I didn't have to go to school. Man, I had before you. Oh, come on. I was at the end, too. Okay, let's just keep on going. If y'all didn't see my other video fighting with Nick, pretty cringy video, but I mean, we wanted to do it. Really? Why on earth would I do that? The world may never know. Okay, now I'm just really bad. Okay, here we go, come on. Come on, please, please, please. Please don't. Please don't go back. Oh, where'd that one button go? Okay, I guess this, no, okay. Whatever. We go back to build. Let's see, how do you fly in this game? I know there's a thing where it's like, it helps you fly and stuff. It makes you fly or something. This thing here. I would say it's probably in here. I think I might know which one it is. It might be this. So if we go right here. Let's see, what does that do? Let's try it out. I hope it lets you fly. I don't know. I haven't done this before. Or I have, but I haven't used it, that one. Oh. But do you have to jump through it? Yeah, let me try that. Let me not jump into it. I think it just makes you go into it, which is pretty cool. I'll keep keeping it no matter what. It's pretty cool. But what would it do if you put something? You would experiment that. Coming up. Come on. Oh, I accidentally jumped into it. I didn't mean to do that. I think it just grabs you up. Let me see. It's like you want to jump right away, so that's a tip for you all if you're going to try my level. Now, if you can. If I do put this out in the public. Okay, let's see if we can do this. Come on. Oh. That does not think it. Never mind, I'm deleting that. No, I didn't mean to do that. I know my friend showed me how to do that once, but I just forgot. It's pretty sad. Please these other ones do like nothing. Wait, is it these? That might be these. Okay, that's probably not gonna do anything. This is. Oh. Really? Gonna glitch me like that? Oh, where the? Okay, oh gosh. Jump to my sounds. Well, there's nothing new. Delete. Build. Well, I don't think I'm gonna be able to fly. Oh, come on, I wanna fly. Anyway. I guess, okay, so this is my level. Yeah. Hope y'all enjoy this video. And, actually, first before, I want to do that. I want to add music. Oh, what the heck? Oh, I want to play this. Alright, I see. Okay, so that's pretty nice. So, select mode. We'll fly. Okay. Dude, no way. Oh, yes, I want to do it now. So, here, let's save and play. No way. Oh. No. Okay, if we're doing that. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to this. And so we need to get out of that mode. This. So guys, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Like, smash that. Just smash that like button. Just smash it. Smash your monitor. I don't care. Subscribe, share, do all that fun stuff. Comment. Yeah. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, and peace out.